Hello viewers, if you are planning to buy a tablet, in that case Xiaomi Pad 8 might be a good option for you. For the 128GB variant, the best price is around 31,749 rupees. With SBI credit card, you will get massive discounts on Xiaomi Pad 8. Actually, Xiaomi Pad 8 comes with Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 processor, so it will be very good in multitasking, and the battery backup of this tablet is top notch. The display quality is excellent. You will get 11.2 inches 3.2K immersive view display, so multimedia consumption will be very good on Xiaomi Pad 8. But if you can spend around 33,749 rupees, in that case you can buy Xiaomi Pad 8 256GB with 12GB of RAM, so that will be more value for money if you can spend that much amount. By spending around 33,749 rupees, you will get nano texture display, so multimedia consumption will be very good on Xiaomi Pad 8 nano texture display. Currently, if you have SBI credit card, in that case you will get 5,250 rupees cashback, so the amount that you have to pay is around 33,749 rupees. And if you have HDFC credit card, in that case you have to pay around 35,999. The main competitor of Xiaomi Pad 8 is OnePlus Pad 2, but sometimes the price of OnePlus Pad 2 is on the higher side, so I think you should definitely go for Xiaomi Pad 8 because this is the latest tablet. But one thing you must remember about Xiaomi Pad 8 is about the update. They will definitely push updates, but that update will not be as smooth as Samsung updates or OnePlus updates or iPad updates. So if you can stay with the original OS version that you are buying now, you can definitely have a very good experience, but after update there will be many problems like bug fixes, lag, stutter, and sometimes restarting issue. Now let me know in the comment sections below if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 8 right now, or you should wait for another price drop on this tablet. I think this is one of the best times to buy this tablet right now. What's your thought? Let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you.